I constantly talk about why accounting is important, but I've never said why accounting is important to me. So, in order for you to understand this, I need you to imagine this. A young girl grew up watching her father struggle with reading and writing, limited by the opportunities he had been denied through systemic oppression. Despite his intelligence and work ethic, his lack of literacy skills demanded him to reach out to the little girl for help and support. As she observed the quiet frustration and resilience in her father's efforts, the memories left a very deep imprint on her heart. As she grew, a vision took shape within her. She was determined to learn everything he was deprived of in education. Her vision took on the shape of a future where people like her father could break free from educational limitations, armed with skills that would grant them dignity, opportunity, and independence. She chose corporate accounting as her foundation, mastering its principles so that one day she could simplify the complexities of the discipline and make it accessible to those with similar challenges. Today, her vision is to create programs, tools tailored for people with limited formal education, empowering them to understand and navigate financial systems because to her it's very important. In her mind, she sees countless individuals gaining confidence and agency over their finances so that they can count their own bag and others don't have to do it for them. She sees them transforming their futures and communities. Her father's struggles is now her calling, and through her passion for accounting, she is determined to open doors for others, turning her childhood memories into a powerful legacy of change. And that's why accounting is important to me.